Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the Bluetooth on your iPhone in a few different ways. So let's get started. Now the simple and the easy way is going to be just pulling on that control menu here and looking at your Bluetooth section, which is right here. So if you tap on that, it's going to give you the option to turn on and off the Bluetooth. As default, if you just tap on it, it's going to turn it off, and if you tap on that icon, it's going to turn it on just like that. Now this can also be done from the settings. So if you go into your setting, right up here is Bluetooth. You can see here there's a toggle for it. It's on right now. If I toggle it, it's going to be turned off, on and off. And now if you want it to be a little bit easier, maybe you can't touch the screen or you don't want to touch the screen, you can also use Siri to turn on and off Bluetooth. So you can say, hey Siri, turn off my Bluetooth. As you can see, it's turned off. Turn on Bluetooth. As you can see here, you can also get Siri to do the same exact thing. So a couple of different ways to turn on and off Bluetooth on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone. We'll see you guys next time.